Hey, does this website look familiar? Yeah, it's called Google. I'm pretty sure you already hear of it. It's called Google, and you can enter it by typing google.com. It's a really useful website. I'm pretty sure you're using it on a daily basis. Maybe because you're doing some kind of research and you need an answer, or sometimes because you are looking, for the things to do in spare time, you just want to have fun. What if I told you that there is a way in which you can earn money? Yes, you can earn up to $2,000 per day with Google. And don't worry, there is no technical knowledge required. You can earn money just by copy and pasting. Won't that be amazing? Hey, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you would like to go ahead and master, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2,000 or even more if you decide, to do the job. Okay, I'm going to show you the entire strategy, so please do not skip any of the steps. Do not assume that you already know them, because chances are that if you do, you are not going to get the results as I'm explaining them. By the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way in which you can earn way more money. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. Okay, now as you can see here on my computer, we have a website that is ready to pay us. Okay, it's ready to pay us. This website, we're gonna use it. It's called Money Pantry. You can type Money Pantry on Google, or you can go to moneypantry.com. Okay, you're gonna go to the one that says Get Paid to Write. Okay, let me scroll up. There are several ways in which you can actually earn money. Actually, they are offering you 101 sites that are going to pay you between $50 to $3,000 per blog post. There is no investment required. You don't need to pay a startup fee, okay? And this is going to be a freelance gig. So that means that there is no limit on how much money you can get paid. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can write a blog even if you don't enjoy writing, even if you are not a writer, even if you don't know what to write about, okay? But that's gonna be here in this video. Stick with me, okay? So there are several ways or several websites that are ready to pay you. For example, we have Transaction Abroad. They're gonna pay you $150, and they are they're related to education, retirement, volunteering. We have Wanderlust. They are going to pay you £220 per post. Okay. And so you can see we have others. These are going to be on the travel industry. These are going to be on other niches. But we are going to focus on this one that it's called Vibrant Life. Okay. This one, it's going to pay you between $100 and $300 per post. Okay, so you're gonna click here where it says Vibrant Life, and you're gonna land on this page. Okay, why I'm searching this page? Because they are ready to pay you for really short articles. Okay, these are articles that are gonna be between 450 to 650 words. Okay, so these are really short and these are on high demand. Okay, and also you can have a featured article, but it should not exceed 1,000 words. So it sounds good, right? Okay, you don't know, okay, you're interested in this right now, but you don't know like what are you going to be writing about. Okay, so as you can see, they have several categories like exercise, receipts, going green, family health, mental health, physical health, spiritual health, right? So there is another really powerful website. It's called Quora. You are gonna go to Quora.com. Okay, you're gonna go to Quora.com and you can find a lot of information on this website. It's amazing, and one of the coolest things that I like about Quora is that you can have answers on different languages. For example, in my case, I have answers in English and answers in Spanish. So it's cool. Hey Diana, what if I do not speak another language? Don't worry about that, because we can use Google Translate. We can find the information and we can just translate it. I use the search here, okay, and I type lost belly fat, because I'm gonna be on the weight loss industry. And as you can see, there are a lot of people asking questions, okay? They're asking questions, and there are tons of people who are giving answer. Like, for example, we have this one. Does green tea really helps to reduce belly? How can I use belly fat without losing overweight? Okay, so these are people. So these are actual questions that real people are asking. Okay, people are asking for this information. For example, here, what is the most practical approach to lose belly fat in terms of consumables and physical activities? So if I click on this one, you're gonna see that there is a lot of people who are actually answering. Right now, this one is an ad, so we're gonna skip it. And we have also related questions, okay? So remember, these are actual questions that people are asking. So here we have this guy who is giving an answer. There are others in which we could have more. For example, how can I effectively lose belly fat in 7 weeks? If I click on it, I'm gonna have more answers. Okay, let me click on this. Right, so I have another person who is actually giving an answer. We do have several people here who are answering this. So we can write, or quote unquote, we can write several articles regarding to this topic. Okay, stay with me, because I'm going to show you how you can earn money by writing without writing, okay? If you're enjoying my content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I have several videos with different ways in which you can actually make money online. So if you don't want to miss this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, I want you to know, where are you from? Because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful, that is going to be helping you. Okay, so let me know where are you guys from, and let me know if you like these kind of tutorials, or there are other topics that you will be interested. I'm doing videos really consistently, as you can see, and I want you to really understand and really make money online. Okay, so now let's go back to Quora. We have here, how can I effectively lose belly fat in 7 weeks? Remember that I told you that we can have several articles, right? But maybe we don't like writing. What we can do right now? Well, there is a cool tool that is called Google Docs or Google Document. It is like Microsoft Word. It's look similar, as you can see, but we don't want to be typing, because we might be slow. We might be, I don't know, just lazy. We want to do other things. Okay, there is a really powerful tool here on Google Doc that it's called voice typing. Yes, you can use voice typing. So that means that you can be, paraphrasing this answer. You are not going to put it as it is. So that means that you're not going to be reading it, right? But you are going to be reading it, you're going to be understanding, and you're going to paraphrase it, okay? Let me show you here. We can put here where it says tools, voice typing, right? And it says click here to speak. Okay, here you have the language, which is English. Okay, I'm allowing my microphone, and here I am. Hello, how are you doing? Question mark. Are you enjoying my content so far? Question mark. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Exclamation mark. As you can see, this is really amazing. I was literally just talking, and it was actually writing the content. Okay, there are going to be some changes, some minor changes, but it's way easier rather than to be typing, right? You can speak really fast, and you can deliver a lot of articles. And remember that you can go to moneypantry.com and you have other websites that they are ready to pay you money. Okay, for example, we have this one. They're gonna pay you up to $1,600 per story. We have this one up to $2,000 per post. Okay, these guys are paying usually between $300 to $2,000. So there are several people here. It doesn't matter what's the topic that you would like to talk about. You want to write about business, you want to write fiction, about parenting. There are people here who are ready to pay you. So the sky is actually the limit. Once you get, used to do a quick search on Quora, right? You can also search and check on blogs. That's another strategy. You can go to Google and type weight loss, right? Let's say loss belly fat. We can find, product ads, we can find articles, and again, we can paraphrase them. And they're going to have our own flow. Okay, so they're going to be unique. This is a great way in which you can actually make money online. But if you guys want to earn even more money, do you want to earn money while you travel? Do you want to earn money while you sleep? Do you want to earn money while you're enjoying time with your family members? You want a better life? I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description, and it's going to have the number one recommendation, or my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity and check it. Okay, so again, on the comment area, let me know if you have some comments, some questions. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video if you find this valuable and you know that there might be someone out there who might be enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know where you guys are from, and I see you on the next video.